Yes, my dear friends. Now, this December 17, yes. Marginal costing because of the importance, we'll just complete. So, how to approach the question? Hope all of you read that question. So, PV ratio. See, your fixed cost is what? 8 lakh. You have a loss of what? Contribution is what? S minus C. So loss of what? 8 lakh minus 1 lakh 16 divided by 60 lakh into 100. What will come? 6 lakh 40. Correct. So what will come?
Correct.
6 lakh 40
divided by 16 lakhs.
correct. Yes. Going further, how we have to proceed? Break even sales. Our fixed cost is what? 8 lakh divided by 40%. What you will get?
20 lakhs.
20 lakh. Super. Going further, what is the additional sales to offset the increase in advertisement outflow? Additional sales to offset the increase in advertisement outflow. Additional sales. 4 lakh is the amount. Your break even is 40%. What will come, my dear friends? 10 lakh. Additional sales will be 10 lakh. What should be the selling price per unit if break-even point is brought down to 20,000? So break-even point is 20,000. Fixed cost is what? 8 lakh by selling price is X minus variable cost. What is the variable cost per unit? Variable cost per unit is 8 lakh minus 17 lakh. What will we get? 17.5 lakh. If I'm not wrong, 9 lakh 40. Correct. Variable cost 9 lakh 40 by 16,000. 9 lakh 60. One lakh 16,000. 60 rupees. So we have to do reverse way. What is the break-even 1,000 unit? So 20,000 x minus. Yes, fixed cost it will be 12 lakh because additional. So 20,000 into 60, what you will get? 20,000 into 60 is equal to 12 lakh. So what will be the x, my dear friends? Can you tell me? 120 per unit. Very good. The answer is correct. 120 is the correct answer. All your answers are correct. Proud of you, my dear friends. Okay. So I have given enough time for this. So hope all of you are completed. See, I willfully want to do this question because of this question specialty B part. Now, my dear friends, a very good question. I want you all to try. Zeslin has furnished the following relevant information for the 2 years. Sales 9 lakh 30, PV ratio 50%, margin of safety 40%. There has been substantial savings in fixed cost in 2008 due to restructuring process. Company could maintain the sales quantity of 2018 in 2019 by reducing the selling price. You have to find out the sales for 2019, fixed cost, break-even sales. So how to proceed, my dear friends? Very easy, but little advanced. 2018, what is the sales, my dear friends? 9,30,000. What is the variable cost? If your PV ratio 50%, variable cost also 50%, your variable cost is 4,65,000. My dear friends, the main clue is variable cost only. Variable cost is 4,65,000. Now how to proceed, my dear friends? Substantial savings in fixed cost due to restructuring process. Company could maintain the sales quantity. Underline the word company maintain the sales quantity. Quantity of the sales remain same. So if quantities remain same for 2090 also, for 2090 also, variable cost will remain same. If they are able to maintain the same 2090 also, variable cost will remain same. So your PV ratio is 38%. If your PV ratio is 38%, what will be your variable cost ratio? 62%. So if your variable cost ratio is 62%, variable cost is 4,62,000. Your sales is what? 7,50,000. So sales we got. How to get fixed cost? Fixed cost we can get it very easily. That is marginal safety. You will get it what? 22%. So total sale is 7,50,000 into 22%. What you will get? 7,50,000 into 22%. So what will be the profit? 1,65,000 into PV ratio. You will get a profit of what? This is the profit of 2019. So now, what is the fixed cost? Fixed cost, you know the formula. Sales into PV ratio minus profit. Sales into PV ratio minus profit. 7,50,000 minus 7,50,000 into PV ratio, which is 38%, minus profit, which is 62,700. What will be the fixed cost, my dear friends? Can you please tell me? Come on. 2,22,300. So break even will be what? 2,22,300 by 38%. That's all. Answer is over. Hope all of you are clear. Now, my dear friends, here this question already we discussed today, the similar question only, standard loss. So I don't want to repeat the similar question again and again. It's all similar question because in the previous year question where we discussed it, we did lot of question on what? Material overhead and all. So computation, we don't want to make it again. You can able to understand. So this is for future. I want to do this transfer pricing question. Very good question. I want to do this transfer pricing question, which I felt very, very relevant. It is coming for previous and also regularly. Division Z of TARX Limited is a profit center. We have not done similar questions so far. So I want to do one previous year question of transfer pricing please. Which produce four product A, B, C, D. Each product sold in the external market also. Following are the data available for the period A, B, C, D. Market price is given. Variable cost production is given. Labor hours is given. Product D can be transferred to Y, but the maximum quantity is what? 15,000. What is the maximum sales potential is given? So they are given three situations. Y purchase the same product at 500 instead of receiving from D. What should be the transfer price of 15,000 of D? If the total labor hour available is what? 1,20,000 hours. If 1,20,000 hours are available, what is the maximum? So, hope all of you remember this type of question. First step we have to do statement of ranking. First step we have to do statement of ranking. So, what are all the products we have? A, B, C, D. What is the sales unit? Sales we will go shortcut way. What is selling price? Selling price 600, 580, 560 less variable cost. What is the variable cost, my dear friend? 520, 400, 360, 330. What is the contribution? 80. What is the labor hours? What is the labor hours? 3, 4, 2, 3. Now what we have to do? Contribution per, just like our key factor. Now we have to go with ranking. Tell my dear friends, which is the rank 1? Can you tell me which is the rank 1? Rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, rank 4. After this we have to go statement of allocation. What is the total available, my dear friends? Total available is there, tell very clear. You have 1,20,000 hours. So how you will allocate? First you will allocate to rank 1. Rank 1 is which product? C. C, what is the total demand? 13,800. See what is the total demand? 13,800 into what is your hour required? 2 hours. So what will be the consumption? 13,800 into 2. How you go to? This is the 2 hours. Balance will go to next product. Which is the next product? Rank 2. Who is rank 2? D. D, what is the demand? 9,600. How many you need? 3. 9,600 into 3. Next rank 3. Who is rank 3, my dear friends? B. What is the demand of B? 15,000 into 4. So what you will take? 15,000 into 4. You will take total. This is the allocation so far. What is the balance, my dear friends? See, this is the only balance. This balance we will allocate to what? Rank 4. Who is the rank 4? A. Now you got all the allocation. A, you allocated what? 3,600. B, you allocated 60. D, you allocated 2,800. C, you allocated 27,600. So hope all of you are clear. Okay. Now, my dear friends, we are now just starting with analysis. This is both the first statement are similar to your key factor analysis. Now we are going to do transfer pricing statement. Hope all of you are ready. Statement of transfer pricing. See how many units you are going to transfer. The question is telling 15,000 of T. You are going to transfer what? 15,000 of. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? So my dear friends, hope all of you are able to recall these type of question. Only 2 things are there. These type of question, only 2 things are there. First one, variable cost. First one, it is what? Variable cost. 15,000. Which product? D. What is the variable cost of D, my dear friends? Variable cost of D is 335. So 15,000 into 335. Now, next what can you remember? Next to opportunity cost. Next is what? Opportunity cost. First you have to go with labor hours required. Tell my dear friends, which product you are going to transfer? 15,000 of D. Which product you are going to transfer? 15,000 of D. So just listen. For every 1 unit of D, you require how many hours? 3 hours. So for 15,000, how many hours you require? 45,000. How many hours you require? 45. Now my first question, do you have any surplus hours? No. Already your hours is what? Deficit. What is deficit? For A, 3,600 hours only you are allocated. The requirement is more than that because their requirement is 16,800 into 3, somewhere around 55,000. But we have given only what? 3,600. So now what you have to do now? This 45,000 hours, if you want to transfer, you have to compromise your existing proportion. That is, you have to take from existing product. Which product you will take? In the class we have discussed that the product which gives you the lower contribution. The product which gives you the lower benefit. The lower benefit is rank 4. Rank 4 is A. So you have to take from A. But the problem is what? A is having only how many hours? 3,600. It is not sufficient. It is not sufficient. So you have to go for what? Next to product B. B, if you analyze it having 60,000. So sufficient B is there. So how you will take it? Opportunity cost. 3,600 you will take from what? A. If you take, what is the contribution per hour of A? Contribution per hour of A is 26.67. 26.67. Balance. What is the balance, my dear friends? Can you tell me what is the balance? Total you require 45,000. 3,600 only you got. 41,400 you get. Next least ranking. Next least ranking is rank 3B. B, what is the contribution per hour? 45. So what you have to do now? This 41,400 you will take from 45. That's all. So what will happen, my dear friends? 3,600 into 26.67 plus 41,400 into 45. Small round of difference will be there, not a problem. This is what is called total cost. We have to find out cost per unit. How you will do? This divided by 15,000 unit, which will be 465.61. See, in this front, my dear friends, if A is already having 45,000, directly 45 into 26.67. Directly 25 into C. There is a small correction. 15,000 into what is the variable cost? 335. So this is how. Suppose if A does not have the excess, we go for B. If B does not have that, you will go for what? Next. Suppose if you have excess, we have discussed in the class. If you have excess, there is no opportunity cost. If it is excess, there is no opportunity cost. So you will get an answer none other than 465.60. Your study material entirely different, but we discuss our own shortcut method, which will compare your marginal costing concept, so that it will be easy for you. 465.60, same as it. Okay. So this is how we have to approach. So hope all of you are clear these areas. Please copy the same.